Your AC is broken, but not how you think. There's a hidden switch in every car that doubles your cooling power, and 99% of drivers don't know it exists. I'm about to show you 8 game-changing tricks that mechanics don't want you to know. These will make your AC blow ice-cold air and transform your driving experience completely. Most people waste hundreds at the shop when these simple fixes cost absolutely nothing. Let's dive in. Game changer number 1, why your AC is choking and how to fix it in 30 seconds. This is the most overlooked fix that delivers massive results, and it's hiding right under your hood. Pop that hood and look at the radiator-looking thing at the very front. That's your condenser, and I guarantee it looks like a bug graveyard right now. See all that nasty buildup? Those dead bugs, leaves, and road grime aren't just ugly. They're literally strangling your AC to death. Here's what's actually happening inside your car. Your condenser is basically your AC's lungs. Its job is to dump all the heat your system pulls from your cabin. When it's clogged up like this, it's like forcing an athlete to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. Your AC compressor is working overtime, burning more gas, wearing itself out, and still barely keeping you cool. The fix will blow your mind with how simple it is. Grab any garden hose. Doesn't even need to be high pressure. Here's the key part everyone gets wrong. Spray from the engine side toward the front of the car. Watch this magic happen. You're going to see years of disgusting crud come flying out, like a dam just burst. I've literally watched this single trick drop vent temperatures by 8 to 10 degrees instantly. Critical warning, never spray from the front, pushing toward the engine. You'll just jam all that debris deeper into the delicate fins and make everything worse. Always push the junk out the way it came in. Game changer number 2. The clogged filter killing your AC power. It's called the cabin air filter, and right now it's probably so clogged it looks like it came out of a vacuum cleaner bag. This little filter is silently killing 25% of your AC performance. Think about it. If your AC can't breathe, it can't cool. That dirty filter is like putting a pillow over your AC's face. Your system is gasping for air, working 3 times harder just to push a weak breeze through all that crud. Meanwhile, you're burning extra gas and your compressor is slowly dying. Here's the insane part. This costs $15 and takes literally 5 minutes to fix. Pop open your glove box, pull out that disgusting old filter, and slide in the new one. Done! Instant transformation. Your cabin filter is usually right behind the glove box. Some cars have it under the hood, but most hide it there. Pull it out and prepare to be disgusted by what you see. Game changer number 3, the temperature setting that mechanics don't want you to know. This one's gonna blow your mind, and it's the complete opposite of what most people do. Set your AC to the absolute coldest setting and never touch that temperature dial again. I'm serious. Leave it on LO or the snowflake symbol permanently and control your comfort with the fan speed instead. Here's the crazy science behind this. When you set your AC to a moderate temperature, your car is literally sabotaging itself. It cools the air down to 38 degrees, then heats it back up to reach your comfortable setting. You're forcing your system to work against itself, like making ice cubes just to melt them again. But when you max out the cold and use fan speed control, you get pure, uncompromised Arctic air straight from the system. Too cold? Turn the fan down. Want more cooling? Crank the fan up. This trick alone drops vent temperatures by 3 to 5 degrees and actually saves you gas. Consumer reports prove this works. You get colder air, better fuel economy, and less strain on your AC system. Most people have been doing this backwards their entire lives. If this just saved you from sweating through another summer, hit that like button and stick around. I've got 5 more game-changing tricks coming up that'll make your AC feel brand new. Game changer number 4. The recirculation button you've been using wrong. See that button with the car and circular arrow? You're using it completely backwards, and it's costing you 30% of your cooling power. When you first get in a scorching hot car, turn recirculation off for 2 to 3 minutes. Let your AC blast out all that 130-degree oven air that's been baking inside. Then flip recirculation on. Here's why this is genius. Outside air might be 90 degrees, but your car's interior air could be 130 degrees or hotter. Hit recirculation immediately, and you're forcing your AC to cool boiling hot air instead of just hot air. That's like trying to ice down a pot of boiling water. After those first few minutes, recirculation becomes your secret weapon. Now your AC is recycling nice 70-degree air instead of fighting 90-degree outside air. Consumer reports proved this simple switch improves cooling efficiency by up to 30%. 2 minutes of patience equals ice-cold air for the rest of your drive. Game changer number 5. The parking strategy that saves your AC. This one's free and starts before you even turn on your car. Where you park can make or break your AC performance all day long. Direct sunlight turns your car into a 140-degree oven, even on an 80-degree day. Your AC is now fighting impossible odds before you even start the engine. Park in shade whenever possible. But here's the game changer. Grab an $8 windshield sunshade from Walmart. This simple piece of cardboard can keep your interior 15 to 25 degrees cooler. Now your AC is battling 115-degree air instead of 140-degree hell. The secret weapon? Professional window tinting. It cuts solar heat gain by 60% and pays for itself in fuel savings. Your AC will cool faster and stay colder on every drive. Smart parking plus $8 sunshade equals your AC actually stands a fighting chance. Game changer number 6. The vent direction trick that changes everything. Most people aim their AC vents straight at their face. Big mistake. Cold air is heavy and sinks naturally, so point your vents toward the ceiling and let physics work for you. When you blast cold air upward, it fills your entire cabin from top to bottom instead of just freezing your face while your feet roast. This creates even cooling throughout the car and feels way more comfortable. It's the same trick professional HVAC installers use in buildings. Pro tip: point your side vents toward the windows, not at passengers. This creates better air circulation and cools the hot surfaces that are radiating heat back into your cabin. Game changer number 7. The 30-second pre-cool technique. Before you get in your scorching car, try this 30-second trick that cuts cooling time by 40%. Open all 4 windows, start the car, and blast the AC on max. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, then get in and close the windows. You just forced all that 130-degree oven air out before you even sat down. Studies prove this simple move reduces cooling time by 40%. Instead of roasting in a furnace while your AC struggles, you're starting with manageable 100-degree air that cools lightning fast. 30 seconds of patience equals instant relief instead of sweating through the first 5 minutes of every drive. Game changer number 8. When to call the pros and save big money. Here's where I keep it real with you. Everything I've shown you so far costs $0 and takes minutes. But if none of these tricks work, you've got a refrigerant leak. And that's when you call the pros. Don't touch those DIY recharge kits from AutoZone. I've watched people blow $1,200 on compressors trying to save $50. One wrong move and you're looking at a massive repair bill. Professional AC service runs $150 to $200, but it comes with warranties, proper tools, and expertise that prevents disasters. Meanwhile, those DIY kits can overcharge your system and destroy everything. The smart move? Try these free fixes first. If your AC still blows warm air after all this, then you know it's actually broken and needs professional attention. At least you're not paying a mechanic $200 to spray your condenser with a garden hose. The 2 deadly mistakes that kill AC systems. Before we wrap up, I need to warn you about 2 things that will destroy your AC and cost you thousands. Mistake number 1. Never shut off your AC completely for months. AC systems need regular use to keep seals lubricated and prevent corrosion. Even in winter, run it for a few minutes every week. This simple habit can add years to your system's life. Mistake number 2. Don't ignore weird noises or smells. That squealing sound, your compressor is crying for help. That musty smell, mold is growing in your system. These problems start small but become expensive disasters if you ignore them. Your AC system is more capable than you think. Most broken AC systems just need basic maintenance and smarter operation. A properly functioning AC should make you reach for a jacket on a hot day. If yours isn't doing that, now you know exactly how to fix it.